Hey lads, how's it going? My name is Ifan Khalik and this is Relax and Now. In this video, we are going to stylize this photo in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, go to the adjustment layer icon right here and choose curves. Curves are most important in Photoshop. So open red channel, go to the red channel and increase and move it like that. Increase the highlights, increase the red in the highlight. You can do as you can click on the hand icon and go to the highlight area like face and increase it. And we are going to add a contrast, so we move the slider down. This is called the color contrast. Go to the green channel and repeat it, and also blue channel. Just like that. Same for the blue channel. And now go to the RGB channel and simply take it up. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit. Now we are going to go to the adjustment layer icon and choose color lookups. Go to the color lookups and add a crisp warm look. Change the blending mode to the soft light and decrease the opacity around 20%. That's, my friend, looks fantastic. Now again, go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose gradient map. Double click on it and choose. Go to the gear right here and add a photographic toning. Append it. This will show up these sliders and just click on whatever you like. Click OK and change the blending mode to soft light. Now that's, my friend, looks fantastic. How about opacity around 35% will be okay. Now go to the adjustment layer icon. Now again go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose exposure. No. Go to the adjustment layer icon and for this time choose Vibrance. Increase the vibrance and decrease the saturation around -14 and click on the new layer icon, create a new layer, take a brush, size and just dab it once. And now go to the actions and simply play the creative vignette with highlights intact. Play the action and this will simply add a vignette effect. Let me show you the complete before and after. Here is the before, here is the after. So much amazing difference. That's, my friend, looks fantastic. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.